close.
I wonder if we'll be able to see the sign. Coming up on Hurricane Pass, I think.
I think so.
Some flowers. This is the pass. Sign used to say Hurricane Pass. No, it just says
Hurricane
Pass.
took it out.
That's right. Got another snow alley.
That's why I said the last time we took a video.
Yeah, probably.
It's a Jeepathon. Look at Lake Como.
Oh, that's not.
Oh,
Still iced over.
Oh, so that's the one that you went down.
That's Poughkeepsie Gulch down there. Still closed due to snow. Lake Como, we were there in late July last year. And this is the way we're going. We're going to go over that pass straight ahead.